Oh, yeah, party people. Happy Wednesday. Here we go. Today we are talking about estimating. For me, the idea of estimating is about how much. So I have two problems that we're going to work through. And what I really want you thinking about when you estimate is, does this make sense? Does this make sense? So check it out. We'll start with this word problem. The best selling fruits at Mr. K's fruit stand are peaches and bananas. Last month he sold 397 peaches and 412 bananas. So let's just start with this. About how many peaches did I sell? About how many? I sold exactly 397. That's about 400 peaches, right? About how many bananas did I sell? About how many? I sold exactly 412 bananas, but that's about 400 bananas, right? So if somebody asks me about how much fruit did Mr. K smell, about how much fruit did Mr. K sell last month, I sold about 800 pieces of fruit, about 400 peaches, and about 400 bananas. If somebody asks me exactly how much I sold, then I have to do the math, right? Then I have to do 397 plus 412. Again, make sure you line them up. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 90 plus 1, 90 plus 10 is 100. So we put our 0 there and bring the 1 up to the hundreds column. 400 plus 300 is 700 plus 1 more is 800. So I sold exactly 809 pieces of fruit. But if someone was just asking me about how much fruit did I sell, I could say I sold about 800 pieces. The other thing that this is handy for is it's a good way to check your math. If you look at the problem and you say, okay, about 400 peaches and 400 bananas, I know 400 plus 400 is 800, but then you do the math here and you get like, I don't know, 600 peaches or 600 pieces of fruit, you know you did something wrong. You can check yourself. Hey, does my answer make sense? If it doesn't make sense and you did this estimating, this rounding sort of thing, and it doesn't seem close, then you know you've messed up. And you can take a look and say, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on a second. Something's wrong here. So let's take a look at another one. Let's take a look at a second one. Clear that. And I think I have to get rid of this guy. Hold on one second. I clear that guy. I had something prepared here. Let's see if it works. Boom. It does work. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. All right. And then let's make this work. Wah! Wrong button. All right, so check it out. There are canned food drives, places where you're collecting food for people that need it. This math problem is that I made up is the following. The students at Manzanita Seed collected 1,598 cans during the first month of their can drive. In the second month, they collected 2,006 cans. About how many cans did they collect? So let's take a look at these numbers. The first one is 1,598. Is that close to 2,000? Not really. Is it close to 1,000? Not really either. So what's it close to? What round number is it kind of close to? Yeah, it's right around 1,600. It's 2 away from there. That's pretty close. What about this number right here? 2006. Is that kind of close to 1,000? No, but it's definitely close to 2,000, right? It's 6 more than that. So it's close to 2,000. So if somebody said, hey, in the 2 months that Manzanita Seed has been doing their food drive, about how many cans did they collect? You could just add up these numbers 0, 0, 6, and 3. You could say they collected about 3,600 cans. Is that the exact amount that they collected? No. But it's about that number. So if it says about how many, this is a good guess. Then, if I want to find out exactly how many they collected, I'm going to do the math here. All right. 8 plus 6 is 14. I'm going to put down my 4 here and bring up the 1 from into the tens column. 90 plus 10, or 9 plus 1, is going to be 10. So I'm going to put a 0 here and bring it over to my hundreds column. 500 plus 0 is still 500, plus 100 more. The one from up there is 600. And then 2,000 plus 1,000 is 3,000. So if they ask me exactly how many did they collect, they collected exactly 3,640 cans. About how many cans did they collect? They collected about 3,600. And that's something I should have done on the other one. When you're answering word problems, please make sure that you put what it is. 3,604 is not the right answer. 3,604 cans is the right answer. You have to be specific. One more thing, I'm going to keep bugging you about this. It's going to help in addition and in subtraction. Make sure you line them up. Line them up. If you don't line them up, I promise you will get the answer wrong. All right, folks, you have some work to do with estimating and about how much. It also helps you figure out if your answer makes sense. I'm going to ask you that, hey, does your answer make sense? And if it doesn't, you got to go back and give it another shot. All right, make sure that when you're doing the math work on Think Central, you are also using paper on the side to actually do your math work. Please don't use a calculator. Be honest with yourself. This is not about getting it right. This is about learning. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.